Hello, how are you?
I am fine. Alhamdulillah.
What is your name?
My name is Alice.
How old are you?
I am around 28.
Where are you from?
I am from the UK.
What's new?
Nothing much. Alhamdulillah. Just working.
Do you work?
Yes. I am a writer.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not a student.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you have a family?
Yes. I have a sister.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Arabic.
What time is it?
It is noon.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday.
What is the date?
It is July 15th.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up early for Fajr prayer.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Are you hungry?
Not really. I just ate.
What do you like to eat?
I like halal salads and fruits.
Do you cook?
Yes, I love to cook halal meals.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice. Halal.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
How's the weather today?
It's cloudy today.
Is it cold?
No, it's a bit chilly.
Is it raining?
No, it isn't raining.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring, when nature reflects Allah's creation.
What do you do every day?
I write, read Islamic books, and pray.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a walk or swim.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
How do you go to work?
I walk to work.
What do you do on weekends?
I spend time with family or attend community gatherings.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy nasheeds and Islamic hymns.
What music do you like?
I listen to nasheeds and recitations of the Quran.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like swimming and archery.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I love to read Islamic literature.
Can you count to 10?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's your phone number?
My number is 5959876.
How many people in your family?
3 people.
How much is this?
It is $7.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 1 p.m.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the halal market.
Do you need help?
No, I'm okay.
How much does it cost?
It costs $15.
Do you have this in blue?
No, we only have it in red.
Can I try this on?
No, sorry, not today.
How do you feel?
I feel tired.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Are you happy?
Yes, Alhamdulillah. I'm very happy.
Are you sick?
No, I feel fine.
Are you busy?
Not really. I'm free now.
Where is the bathroom?
It's right over there.
How do I get to the store?
Go straight and turn right.
Is it far from here?
Yes, it's a bit far.
Where's the bus stop?
It's across the street.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, I can show you.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, Alhamdulillah. I'm feeling good.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you need medicine?
No, thank you.
Should I call a doctor?
No, I'll be fine.
Do you sleep well?
Sometimes I sleep well.
What do you like to do?
I like volunteering and reading Islamic books.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I sometimes play archery.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim well.
Do you watch TV?
I watch educational programs occasionally.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy calligraphy and charity work.
What's your job?
I'm a graphic designer.
Do you like your job?
Yes. Alhamdulillah. I like it very much.
What do you study?
I studied Islamic history.
Is it difficult?
It can be challenging.
Where do you work?
I work at home.
How do you travel?
I use public transport or travel with family.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Can you drive?
No, I can't drive.
Where is the station?
It's near the park
When is the next bus?
in about 20 minutes.
Do you need water?
Yes, please.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you wait?
Yes, I can wait a little.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, an Android.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I use it daily.
Do you have email?
Yes, I do.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, every day.
Can you help with my phone?
Yes, I can try.
What's your plan today?
I will pray, dur, and visit the mosque.
Are you free tomorrow?
No, I'm busy tomorrow.
Can we meet later?
Yes, we can meet.
What time is good?
4 p.m. is good.
Where shall we meet?
Let's meet at the park.
What size are you?
I am a size small.
What color do you like?
I like green.
Is this your jacket?
Yes, it's my jacket.
Are these new shoes?
Yes, they are new shoes.
Do you need new clothes?
Yes, I think I do.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I will speak slowly.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I can repeat that.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
How do you say this?
Like this, Assalamu alaikum.
Can you write it down?
Yes, I can write it down.
Please open the door.
Yes, I'll open it now.
Can you close the window?
Yes, I'll close the window.
May I sit here?
Yes, please sit here.
Can I borrow a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Where can I put this?
Put it on the table, please.
Is this good?
Yes, this is very good.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Is it too big?
No, it fits perfectly.
Is it too expensive?
No, it's affordable.
Which one is better?
This one is better.
Are you early?
Yes, I'm a little early.
Are you late?
No, I'm on time.
When do you start?
I start at 10 Anas a.m.
When do you finish?
I finish at 6 p.m.
Do you have time?
Yes, I have some time.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, very thirsty.
Do you need a break?
Yes, please.
Are you cold?
No, I'm fine.
Do you need anything?
Yes, please. I need a map.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
This one or that one?
That one, please.
Now or later?
Later is better.
Here or there?
There is better.
Tea or coffee?
Tea, please.
With or without?
Without, please.
Do you need to go?
Yes, I need to go.
See you tomorrow?
Yes, inshallah. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Take care.
You too. Jazakallah. Khair.
Have a good day.
Barakallahu feek.
Will you come back?
Yes, inshallah. I will come back.
Are you okay?
No, I feel unwell.
Should I call someone?
Yes, please call a family member.
Where does it hurt?
My head hurts.
Do you need water?
Yes, water, please.
Can you walk?
Not really. I feel weak.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.